Hey, today we'll be taking a look at the 1954 Godzilla reinterpreted or made by Anraku Ansaku. And this is a Medicom toy collaboration. So for Anraku in his recent years, he has only been collaborating and releasing toys through Medicom. I think this is mostly because he has Parkinson's and is having a hard time sculpting and painting the toys himself, so he needs someone to kind of take care of all that for him. So this is the 1954 version. As you guys can see, it is a very chunky and colorful piece of vinyl. As you guys know, I've recently got my first Shin Godzilla, and so that was my first Godzilla toy, and that really got me into this thing, and this is my second one. And I tried to pick Godzillas that were from, soft vinyl artists. So first one was from Sunguts, now it's from Anraku. As you guys can see, this guy is very goofy and very chunky. The proportions are very, very strange with this massive looking belly. And despite that, it is quite a nice figure. I chose the 1954 version because I just really like the way it looks. I like the colorway. I like the significance of the fact that it's a 1954 Godzilla versus any other Godzillas. I feel like that one is the most significant film. And there's also the Burning Godzilla version that's really, really popular by this guy, but it doesn't have that, soft vinyl or indie vibe because it's a very stereotypical colorway, versus this one, which is just spectacular with this yellow and metallic green, blue. So the figure itself is, let's see, how tall is this guy? The figure itself is 26 and a half, almost 27 centimeters tall. So it's quite big and quite long because of the size of its tail. So it goes up to 20 centimeters around. So it takes up quite a lot of shelf space. I don't know if you guys can just remove the tail and just kind of display it like that. I guess you could. The tail kind of fits really weirdly, but I guess that's how it was in the movies, or was trying to be more closer to what it was in the movies. Now this toy in itself is actually in a nice yellow vinyl and yellow base, and it's not like the typical yellow. It's like a very, how would you describe it? Like a milky yellow. Milky yellow makes it sound really weird. Like a lemon pie kind of yellow. So it has a very nice texture or color to it, which makes it very nice when you have these when it's painted on the side. I think the color choices and the way it's painted is very smart, and the color scheme is very, very vibrant and interesting, and more like the original Anraku kind of colorways. So this is the second version of this colorway, actually. The first one being, I think, a very original bluish kind of color. Now, this guy is at retail 12,000 yen, and it was a lottery through Medicom. So most of the releases from Anraku from now on will be through Medicom and most likely through lottery. And you can just check out information if you guys ever want to pick one up on the Medicom website. I think you can find that more easily or more accessible that way, because they have a very fair or decent English translation. And if not, you have Google, and it will translate that for you on Chrome. So this is a very chunky looking guy. Very, very happy with this guy. And this is my second Godzilla, so I hope you guys like it. I mean, if you guys have any Godzilla toys that you guys really like, you can definitely recommend to me, because I don't know anything about Godzilla. So definitely let me know what your favorite Godzilla Sofubi is. Thanks.